Everyone, so as you can see in front, this is the Vitamix V1200. This is one of the, I would say that one of the best blender which you can get in US, and this one is available on Costco. And as you can see in front of me, that it has 10-year warranty, and we used it for a while. And today, since we are moving out of this house, we are just packing it, and just wanted to make a quick review about this blender. I would say that this is one of the best which we have used so far. So if you see, this and all is inside this. So as you can see that it comes with three jars. One is for the spices, and one is for the small kind of blender, and one is the big blender. It don't have any juicer inside it, but I would say that except that it has everything whatever you will need in day-to-day kitchen work. So as you can see that the big jar is almost 2 liter, and there is a small jar which is actually 600 milliliter, and there is one more which is 225 milliliter, which is actually for grinding small stuff or spices or something. So this is what it is, and let's see how does it look from inside. So as you can see that here, so this is not the original packing, and we are actually repackaging it because we are trying to move to another house. So this comes with the instruction manual. This is small one, and this is actually the bigger one which has all the recipe inside it. So if you can just open it, it has a lot of recipe inside it. If you are interested in going through it, you can go through it. And this is the the instruction manual, or the general specification, and some other regulatory stuff inside it, which has all the warnings and everything. So this is what it is. And then after that, here is our main, the blender itself. As you can see here, these are the jars, and this is our blender blade, and under this is actually the motor and the main the blender base, which is going to grind everything. And it comes with all this stick just to mix up things. These are the three jars. So pretty much this is what it comes with. So once you'll assemble it, then it will take like 5 to 10 minutes just to assemble it, and you can start using it. So setup is quite easy, but I would say that this thing can grind anything, including bones or ice, whatever you'll throw it at. So yeah, this is our Vitamix blender.